My favorite mechanical pencil would have to be the Uni KURU TOGA. It's a size 0.5. I like doing sketches with these, and they're really good for doing hyperrealistic drawings as well. That's if you get the patience, because it's a very fine tip. What I like about these is that you don't have to sharpen like with a standard pencil. It comes with a grip as well at the end, so you don't have to worry about your fingers getting sweating and losing grip of the pencil. It comes with a mono eraser at the end, built in. I'll leave a link in the description of the video for this pencil, and for the erasers that you can buy for this. They're both at a very low price. I got this online for only $10 for the pencil. Also, as you're drawing with it, the lead rotates, keeping it at a sharp point at all times. As you can see here, I currently have the clip holder removed because it always gets in my way while I'm drawing. That's mostly just a personal preference. I've done a lot of recent drawings with this in my videos that I did for drawing subscribers. The lead that I'm using for this pencil is the Einstein, and it's by Pentel, size 0.5. It's a soft lead, it writes butter smooth, and it goes in the paper really well. As you can see by the lines here, you can get small details. Does great at shading. You can go from light to darker lines depending on the pressure you use. It can be hard to get used to going from light to dark lines when you're used to using a lighter pencil, but with practice you can do it. And now I'm going to apply more pressure and show you the darker line. It's not very dark here, but that's only because of the light reflecting off of it. Maybe you can see it better there. But I recommend this for anybody that wants to start using mechanical pencils and they don't know where to start and they want a good brand. It's something that'll work well for them. I'd recommend the Uni KURU TOGA 0.5. It's a great pencil, has a great grip, has a low price, and overall, it's just an amazing pencil. You just can't go wrong with it, especially for its price. It's great for any beginner or advanced artist.